Improving your typing skills will not only make your student life easier, but will help in your work life as well. Hi, my name is Umaima Malbari from Girls Bus, and I'm here with some quick tips and tricks to type fast and with accuracy. Number 1. Use the correct starting position. When practicing your typing skills, it's important to use proper hand placements. To start, keep your fingers positioned over the home row keys. That is, left hand over A, S, D and F keys and the right hand over J, K, L and colon keys, with your thumbs hovering over the space bar. From here, you can move your fingers slightly to reach neighboring keys, and your hands should always return to this starting position. Number 2. Don't look down at your hands. Instead of looking down at your hands, focus on the screen. This can be difficult at first, especially if you have not yet mastered the exact placement of the keys. However, looking at the screen will help improve your accuracy because you will be able to catch your typos as they occur. You will also begin to memorize the placement of the keys, so you will be able to type more quickly as you practice. Number 3. Maintain good posture. Sitting in an upright position is going to make it easier to type faster. If you are used to slouching in your chair or working from the couch, try moving to a straight back chair or working at a desk. Number 4. Find a comfortable position for your hands. The wrong hand placement can make it uncomfortable to type for extended periods of time. The space bar of your keyboard should be centered with your body so that you are not reading your screen or typing from an angle. As you type, rest your elbows on the table and keep your wrists slightly elevated. You should never bend or angle your wrists dramatically. Number 5. Practice. Nothing is mastered overnight. And in order to really improve your typing accuracy and speed, you need to practice every day. There are many websites that offer free typing skill tests and practice, such as Typing Academy, Typing Club, and How to Type. It's important to take your time with these typing exercises and assessments. Attempting to rush through them will only result in more errors at first. Trust that your speed will improve naturally as you become more familiar with the keyboard. Typing is a patience game, and it takes time to set the muscle memory to move across the keyboard like a dancer. So keep at it and don't give up. You'll be typing like a pro in no time. A pro, you ask, just like me. If you're curious as to what this video is about, the link is on your screen right now or in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to us if you like this video and hit the bell icon to stay notified every time we upload a new video to make your life easier. Alright, until next time, bye-bye.